Okay, so this is vectors video number 6. It will be learning how to use a new tool. It will be Geogebra. This is a tool for graphing and graphing in 3 dimensions. Well, actually, it's a calculator, but it's most useful as a graph, as a graphing calculator. So let's type. You go to Google, you open your website navigator, Google, and you type this Geogebra. And the first link you get over here, Geogebra, you click over here, start graphing, and you go to this menu over here, these 3 bars you got. Click over here and you go to apps or applications. You type in the arrow and you look for Geogebra Classic here. So you type over here. And this is the window uh, that will send you, okay? This is the window. This is Geogebra Classic, and this is the tool we're going to use. So for example, if you remember the example we did in video number 5 about components, and sorry, it was in video number 4, yeah, video number 4. The example we did with components, we could graph this vector, sorry, we could graph this vector and we could graph the resultant, okay, all the vectors we could graph. But in this case, we're going to graph the resultant, or the result of the addition of the 3 vectors we have. Remember, it was A, B, and C. So in this case, I will put R equals, this is the syntaxes, okay, equals to, you type vector. Vector is the command. You open double parentheses and you put the component. So it was component index 7.99, comma 9.92. Okay. Sorry, this was a point. There you go. Now this is the vector resultant we got. But we're missing 2 things. We're missing the magnitude and we're missing the angle. Okay. Now we need to know the angle and the magnitude. Okay. So let's go over here in this part. You right click, and you put here polar coordinates. And here you have it. The magnitude over here, remember it was 12.7. You got the exact magnitude, 12.74, and you got the exact angle. It was 128.85 degrees. Remember, I round this number to 199 degrees. Okay? But we are missing, just to see this graph a little bit more static, with more style, you go over here again and you do click, or in this case right click, and you go to settings. Okay, so let's put show trace and show label. You go to this option, and instead of put name, you go to this arrow and put name and value. Now that is a vector. Okay, its magnitude and its angle measure from the positive x against the clock. Okay, so we can change color over here. For example, well, I like blue, but you can put, I don't know, pink, yellow, green, gray, I don't know, whatever color you like, even purple, I don't know, whatever you like. Okay, you can put rainbow, or you can put orange. Well, I will choose blue because it's the color I like. So you go to X to leave this menu, and you got over here. This is your vector, but if you want a little bit more aesthetic and style, we should type this over here. Now, I will type a name for this vector. It should be angle R. Okay, this is the angle of the vector R. So same as the other one. I put equal, so you type the command angle, and you open double parentheses, and you put the component. Remember the component. Negative 7.99, comma 9.92. There you go. This is the angle, and this is, well, this is the angle of this vector. Here you have 128.85 degrees, but it's showing the measure from the positive x-axis against the clock. Okay, so just to, we can do the same thing over here, settings, and we could change colors. I put this blue, okay, just to match with the vector. Okay, now for sending your answer, okay, I know this is very helpful because you got the vector, you got the components, you got the magnitude, and you got the angle, okay, and you got the graph. That is the most important thing, the graph. So you got to this menu over here, these three bars over here, not this bars. Go over here and you put, you can choose both. You can choose download as, and you put PNG, okay? Or you can put PDF, okay? Wherever you like. I will prefer PDF because you can join that PDF with the Word, or you can paste this PGN image into a Word document, okay? Or you can, you can go over here, export image, okay? You can export this image. Let's click over here. You can export this image, and you can only choose download. So here you have. So you have your image of this graph. You can paste it in a Word document, and you can set this as your answer, okay? Now, as always, I want your answer, well, your procedure done by hand, and your answer could be like this, graphic in Geogebra. Simple as that. Only two commands we're going to need, vector and angle, and that's all you need, okay? Remember to change the names, okay? This is vector resultant. If you have another vector, you can put vector 2 or I don't know, angle R2. Remember, this over here is names, okay? This is the command. Very important. Please write down this. Name, command. Name, command. Okay? That's all you need to know. Okay, I will do another video with 3 dimensions, vectors. Remember, X, Y, and Z. And we're going to learn how to graph this with this tool, with Geogebra. So I hope this video will be helpful. I will send you your quiz, and I will send you new material, okay, to Google, in Google Classroom and in WhatsApp group. Okay, any questions you can text me in WhatsApp group. Okay, so see you, 9th graders. Bye bye.